this video, we're going to be talking about finding the volume of a sphere. So the volume of the sphere is that V is equal to 4/3 pi r cubed, where r is the radius of the sphere. So unlike surface area volume, we are finding the amount of space inside of the sphere. So let's go through a couple of examples. First one, I want to find the volume of the soccer ball. And so I'm given the soccer ball and I see that the radius is 4.5 inches. And so I know that volume is equal to 4/3 pi r cubed. My first step is to go ahead and substitute in 4.5 for r. And so I get that this is equal to 4/3 pi 4.5 cubed. And now I'm going to go ahead and multiply 4.5 cubed and 4/3. So when I do 4.5 cubed, I get 91.125. Then I'm going to multiply that by 4, and then divide by 3. And I get 121.5 pi. And so when I multiply those together, I get that the volume is approximately 381.7 inches cubed. Okay, let's look at another one. Number 2 says that the diameter of a sphere is 36 inches. Find the volume of the sphere. So this time I'm given the diameter, but in order to use my volume formula, I need to know what the radius is. However, we know that the radius is just going to be half of my diameter. So it's going to be 36 divided by 2. And so I get that my radius is 18. And now I can go ahead and plug that into my formula. And so I know my volume is 4/3 pi r cubed. And so I have 4/3 pi 18 cubed. Now when I do 18 cubed, I get 5,832, and I'm going to multiply that by 4/3. And when I do that, I get 7,776 pi. And so when I multiply those two together, I get that my volume is approximately 24,429.02 inches cubed. Now let's look at one last one. So this one says that the surface area of a sphere is 324 pi square centimeters. Find the volume of the sphere. So again, to find the volume, I need to know what my radius is, but here I'm given surface area. Well, we just learned that the surface area is equal to 4 pi r squared. And I'm given that my surface area is 324 pi, so I'm going to replace s with 324 pi equals 4 pi r squared. And then I'm going to divide both sides by 4 pi. And so when I divide 324 by 4, I get 81. My pi's cancel out, so I just have 81 is equal to r squared. And then take the square root of both sides, and I get that my radius is equal to 9. And now that I have my radius, I can go ahead and plug that into my volume formula. And so I get 4/3 pi 9 cubed. Now when I do 9 cubed, I get 729, and 729 times 4/3, I get 972 pi. And then when I multiply 972 by pi, I get approximately 3,053.63 centimeters cubed.